To my job replacing the windscreen wiper mechanism on my 2016 P90D. All the videos I could find online show two-wheel drive cars, and they have a lot, ironically enough, a lot less room where the wiper motor actually is. I'm right-hand drive, I'm in the UK, and I just got to the point where I freed up the motor, and I wanted to show everyone how you don't have to take this strut brace out in order to get it out. The biggest battle I had was taking the wiper arms off, and the tip I would add to other videos is to put it into service mode and then use the leverage of the arm itself to rock the fitting backwards and forwards. I also tapped a screwdriver in between them to help lever off, and I thought I was getting nowhere, and suddenly it popped off. Obviously be very careful if wielding hammers and screwdrivers around the windscreen. I always keep my hands are wrapped around what I'm doing so that the metal never comes into contact with the glass. But I would also suggest that once you've finished doing that bit, you should, once you've got to this point, take it out of service mode, because you obviously want the new wiper motor to be in the same position as the old one when it goes in. There's a very tight clearance on that end with the bonnet hinge, which is here, but it kind of rolls itself off this mount and gives you just enough room to bring it out like this. And whilst I am an engineer and I do like to fix rather than replace, the cost of a replacement was £166 delivered, so I think it's really not worth the effort of I will measure it up anyway, but worth the effort of replacing these bushes for that price. It'll probably cost me a similar amount to go and have them made, and then of course my car will be off the road while that's happening. Anyway, I hope this is helpful, and good luck if you're